This country prides itself on its government operating solely under the rule of law, so I hope my right honourable friend will forgive a layman's question about the law in this case. He describes it as an administrative system, but under what law is this administrative system created? That a judge, a well-respected judge in this country, accepted that this letter should in effect give this man an amnesty, whether the Attorney General describes it in those terms or not. That will be the way it will be seen both in this country, including Northern Ireland, and abroad. So under what law is this constituted, and can he give the House an absolute assurance that he is sure that the criteria he laid down, the administrative ones, have actually been followed in all cases?
Well, my right honourable friend is of course right that judges should interpret and implement the law, but I have to say that I have no reason to fault the judgment in this particular case. There are, as well as the public interest in prosecuting, clear issues of fairness in the way in which prosecutions and investigations are conducted, which are subject to the potential for abuse of process applications, and that's what took place in this case. And the judge concerned provided reasons clearly set out as to why, in one of the 4 grounds advanced, and which centred on the letter that had been sent, it was, in his view, would be wrong and an abuse of process if the prosecution were allowed to continue. And that centred on the fact that the person concerned, Mr. Downey, had been misled by the letter. And I don't think I can say any more than that. As to the issue as to the principles underlying the other letters, this was an administrative process, one which is certainly lawful in providing information solely to those who were not wanted. But as I said earlier, it's quite clear from this instance that something went very badly wrong. Whether it went badly wrong in other instances is not a matter which at the moment I can help the House about.
Mr. Peter Hain.